What's up, everyone? We hit the road and took out some select Bird Ball Wiffleball players out to Leroy, Indiana to play in their league.
Yeah, it was a ton of fun. We had some really great games, some absolutely hilarious moments, and we even had some players mic'd up so you can hear what they said on the field.
So without further ado, we have our favorite highlights, best moments, best mic'd up moments, like he said. Let's get into it. Hope you enjoy.
No! No! No!
It was the only swing of the at-bat. Oh. Sorry, boys.
Yes, sir.
No. Tap, tap.
Kids are swinging. Frankly, the sun.
Two outs. We got some earned. You get some back. Oh, what a grab. Yeah, we're gonna need good defense for me pitching. Two outs. Here we go. Oh. Good effort. Oh. Did he make it? Oh, he didn't make it. I thought he was safe, but I didn't see. Good effort. 0 for 2 against me.
Come on.
They have to call it on you, too.
Catch it. Catch it. That's a win, baby. Come on. Good catch.
Deep left center. That ball is high. It is far. It is gone.
Yep. It's a good run, but it's all good. Oh, I should have let that one go. Chill here. Oh, 5-2. Oh, a drop! Oh, that's a double play. It's a double play. Oh, he missed him? Way to get back. Let's go. 9-2. Oh, all right. Let's call it. fucking donkey. 2-1. Fuck. What?
He touched it fair though, no?
No. It's like way foul.
Oh, okay. I thought you touched it like went in.
No.
He's giving you one there, Coop.
That's caught. Doesn't matter. Walk it off. There we go. Here we go. Ah. That's nice. That's nice. It's a great start. It's a hell of an upgrade from Bird Ball. We got fucking lights. We got actual fields, and you can see in the night. It's fucking beautiful.